Right, we're currently waiting a money shot of the two boats going down here. Right, we're currently waiting a potential money shot because I want the money shot of the boats coming down here to the next canal, which is over there. So it might be a while. We'll come back when it's starting to get ready. And there's a train coming. Yeah, that's definitely a train, 100%. Yeah, it's currently sinking down a bit and it's opening. Let's get a shot. Right, the doors are currently open. They should be moving soon, yeah. Boat's right there coming out. There's a random football as well. Don't know where that came from. But here it goes. Moving. And off it goes. I think the second one's here. Nope, door's not open yet. But here it is, setting sail. Right, the door's closing now. And I think we should move on now. It's gonna take it's gonna be a 5-minute of just a boat. Still keeping going. I think it's gonna pull up now. Yeah, right, let's move on. There's a goat right there. In fact, 2 goats. I see another one there. Okay, here we go. It's time to have a visit at the park during the afternoon. Quite a lot of people are exiting the place now. Let's just move on. Right, there's a fire truck coming, which I don't know where. Don't know what's going on right now. Is there like a fire or something? Some kind of fire. I think it just turned around and went the other way, I think. Not too sure. Doggo. There was a bird in the tree. Oh, he's gone. I think he's moving. Yep, here he goes. It's well windy today. It's quite sunny as well, but don't know. Let's just get up here. There we go. Just saying, the dirt is quite slippery in hills, so you've got to be extremely careful. Managed to got it though, but we got mud, and mud is not good at all. I see 4 horses this time, like the last video I did. No, there's 5. Last video I did there were 3, but now there's 5 of them. Don't know what they're doing. Probably eating grass like usual. See some berries growing right now. Blueberries, I think. Some there, including some raspberries growing. Okay. Since it's summer, but it's nearly going to be autumn. I'm currently recording this on the 30th of August, and that's when the video is going to be released. But then tomorrow I'm going to be filming again my second part of train spotting, and basically I'm going to be doing a lot of like, obviously there's going to be more surrounding it, because in 2 days it'll be autumn, it'll be September, and that's when I'm going to be starting college. And hopefully nothing too bad goes happening, and I'm taking that shot because the clouds are well nice up there. Yeah, the water is filling up a bit here. Yeah. Usually you're a bit worried that it will go over the edge. It would, but doesn't seem like it. Go on, goats. More goats here now. You know, I'm about to walk back home now because it's getting a bit dark, and it's going to be another short video, but the next train spotting video, which is the next video in Rochdale, I'm going to try and keep it a bit longer than the last train spotting video. More goats just walking around. Including a baby one right there, just doing their own business. Oh man, let's get another shot here. Might try and keep the video a bit longer. I'll get a few more shots and then I'm gonna wrap it up. Well, the water's a bit decreased now. Don't know where it went. Like, if you went back to the beginning, you would have seen it full, but now it's just not there. Let's just keep moving. Where it's moving. Yeah, usually it's full. Now it's just decreased suddenly. Oh jeez, slipped. That was close. Yeah, it's a bit slippery, we should be careful. That's another train shot, even though we're doing more of that in the next video. You just have to wait, guys. Just gonna have to wait. Oh, it's just rock. I thought it was like seaweed or something. Even though seaweed's in the ocean a bit. Let's try and get a better shot. Wow. Wow. Yeah. Look at this, guys. Yeah, I've got to be careful. It's very slippy, the water. Yeah. So the water's right there. The canal water. It's there. And it's gone down a bit because of the thingy, I think. And yeah, that's the thingy reason why there's no water, because it was drained a bit. There will eventually be more water eventually. Just don't know what it is. Can't be here for too long, I gotta go. See ya. Aw. Beautiful cat.